So I recently made a short about the MooMoo portfolio tracker for some of the people that you can track technically. So you got Pelosi, Warren Buffett, Kathy Woods, Trump, Soros, even the guy from Nvidia, right? I'm spacing his name right now, but the point is, I looked all over the MooMoo desktop platform and even on its website to find this insight tracker, and it's not available. It's not available anywhere on there. The only place it's available is on your phone on the MooMoo app. So, hey, I told you guys I was going to do a video, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So, when you go here to basically where your watch list section is on MooMoo, you have these tabs down here below, and you're going to go to More. And when you hit that little More button right there, you're going to see something that says Me, and then you're going to see something that says Insights. Now, there is also another button right there on the corner that says Insights, so you can click on that, and that'll give you the portfolio tracker. This is the only place that I could find this portfolio tracker for MooMoo. As you can see, I even downloaded it. Let me move this out of the way. I even downloaded MooMoo desktop to see if maybe it was going to be on there, but it's not. I looked everywhere. I even tried to ask some of its AI there's an assistant for AI in there, and it's not there. So I'm still going to do a video. I'm still going to provide you a link to where you can sign up and join MooMoo. Um, and that is actually going to be the second link in the description on this video. And then also, if you're a Discord member, you can actually see it in our main trading chat. I'll go ahead and put that up here real quick. Sign up via my referral link now and claim an 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash and up to $1,000 in NVIDIA stock. So when you sign up, you actually get paid to sign up. You'll get free money for joining. So the link will be there. Also provide the link below this video. But at the same time, guys, this portfolio tracker is really cool. And I did my short on it. Like, say you want to track Kathy Woods. Well, you can click on Kathy Woods, and right there it says she has a 39% return in 240 days. And I like this little infograph there showing her top holdings. You click on it, it shows her top holdings again, and then exactly what her average target price is and how much she's holding in that account. So that's really, really cool feature to have. This one's saying that she's holding 9.5% of Tesla. Her target price is 423, and Tesla's trading right now at $414. You could then click on it and it shows Tesla there. You could also go to batch trade, and what batch trade is going to do is it's going to allow you to basically copy her trade here, okay, to where now you can pick a balance, whatever balance you want to put, and 100% in each account. So say you want to invest $100. Well, it'll distribute the $100, so it'd be $10 in each one of these positions. As you can see here, it says 10% allocated, so $100 would be 10%. If you had $1,000, then you could put $100 in each one of these, and it'll just completely batch, and you can buy all of them. All you have to do is go to select all right there, and you could select all of them if you want to, or you could simply pick one or two or three of them, whichever ones you want to do. Now you can do that with anybody, not just Kathy Woods. Say you want to look at NVIDIA's holdings, and he has a 0.19% return right now, but he is holding, you wouldn't believe it, he's holding CoreWeave, Applied Digital, ARM Holdings, NBIS, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, and WeRide. He's actually not holding really any of his Nvidia, which is weird, but yeah. So you also have Trump. Trump has a 12% return. So you can click on Trump, and you can see he has his top holding is DJT. That's crazy. DJT, he's holding. He doesn't have an average target price on that one. He's holding Apple, Amazon, Nvidia. He has a 240 target price on Nvidia. So I'm wondering if that is the same target price as, say, Kathy Woods. Is she holding any Nvidia? It doesn't look like she is. She's holding Coinbase. What about Buffett? He just bought Google over the weekend. I wonder if it's going to showcase that on here. Yeah, it does actually. It shows Google holdings for Warren Buffett, Buffett Holdings, and he's holding about 1.58% or a target price of 310. And even shows a cool performance tracker down at the bottom. So I do apologize. There isn't any platform, or MooMoo doesn't offer it on the desktop platform or on the actual computer or anything like that. It's only available on the uh, phone. It's only available on the phone, which is very odd, to say the least. But Kathy Woods, man, she's up 40% on the year, 144% in the last 3 years, and she's down 23% in 5 years. So very interesting to see. I thought it was a really cool tracker, even just for fun, to see what some of your favorite, not really celebrities, but some of your favorite people are actually watching. I thought that was really cool and what they're holding. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, smash that like button. And again, if you want to sign up for MooMoo, I'll put the link in the description. But as most of you know, I use WEBULL, which is the platform that I use of my choice. There is a link below that you can use to sign up. They both offer you ways to get involved in the stock market. They're both brokerages. You can have multiple brokerages. And, even myself, I have over 5 brokerage accounts, each one with their own benefits and each one providing you a little incentive when you sign up with someone's link. So take advantage of some of that free money, some free shares of stocks that you can turn into money or just use to start your investing journey. Thanks for your time, and don't forget, I trade live every morning at market open. That is the first link in the description. That is the only place you can watch me trade live with real money in real time. It is 100% free, lifetime access for right now, but that could change next year. I could actually start charging because of all of the valuable content I'm providing to our LTE members. So get in now while it's free. First link in the description, and we'll see you all tomorrow morning for another live day trading session. Have a great day, guys, and remember, let's end the year on a green note.